Hello, my name is Abri, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to differentiate activities copied from our teacher resources. We have thousands of resources available to you, including complete lesson plans designed for teachers on a tight schedule. However, it might be the case that not all the parts of a lesson plan work for you and your class. We have solutions for that. Let's go over to lesson plans here on the left-hand bar. I'm going to search up a lesson plan that I would like to use for my class. Let's look up The Little Prince. I'm going to go ahead and click the lesson plan. And let's say I want to do a beginning, middle, and end summary activity for my class. I'm going to click on View Activity. This will bring me to an overview of the activity. Then I can click on Copy Activity. This will take you to the Edit Assignment page. Here, I can edit instructions if I would like by clicking here. Once I've made any edits I would like to, I can click Save. In this case, I like it as is, so I won't adjust anything. Next, we have templates. This assignment comes with one that is pre-made. I can adjust it if I'd like by clicking Edit below the template. I can save and exit when I've finished with my adjustments. I can also add another template to the assignment with this button here. I can add for my existing storyboards or create a new one. For this one, I'm going to choose a different layout for my students to choose from, like a cycle. I'll add titles and descriptions. And once I'm happy with the template, I can save and exit. Then I'll navigate back to the Edit Assignment page by going to Assignments here on the left, and then editing the little print summary. You can do the same thing that we did with templates with the examples. So you can edit the one that's already here, or you can add one, or you can remove it altogether. Finally, you can add a rubric to your assignment here. We've already made one for you, but you can edit it if it doesn't fit your needs. And that's how to differentiate activities with Storyboard That. Thank you for watching and happy storyboarding.